Hey mom, what are we eating?
米線。
Again! Woohoo! Okay, so I'm currently in Shaxi and I found this like rice field, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Sometimes they read a lot.
Okay, so out of all the places I visited in Vietnam, out of like Dai Lei, Lei Gong, I have to say Shaxi is like my favorite place. Feels like the town here was built for like the community here versus in like Dai Lei and Lei Gong. It seems as if everything was built for the tourists that come in year to year. So yeah, I really enjoyed visiting Shaxi.
对，真多了。1, 2, 3，可以了。